Hey Panthers, Anna Robinson here. Just wanted to give everyone a quick welcome back to the 2021 school year. Uh, what a year it's gonna be, right? We're getting started online. We just got that news, and I'm excited because we have a lot of amazing curriculum online. What I would suggest to get you guys started is to be very familiar with Canvas. Canvas is new, it's replacing Edsby. I'm sure you've heard that by now. In case you haven't, you want to be trained in that as soon as possible. Be familiar with navigating so that teachers, we're not just teaching you guys technology and navigation, but we can focus on curriculum more. Okay, so there is going to be some responsibility on you guys to learn the Canvas navigation and be familiar with it. We'll do our part to navigate as well and direct you to things, but please familiarize yourself so that it's not completely foreign when you decide to log in on August 24th. So looking forward to seeing everyone online, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.